In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
During our 10-night stay at Playa Los Cocos, we took a boat ride around some of the local islands. The day before our boat ride, we took a trip to town to do some errands. We explored Mulege a little, dropped off our laundry, and had some lunch and filled our water. There's the ATM.
Frequent quite a few times.
Big fee, but we got money. Stuck up here! Bodie, help me!
Are you stuck? There you are.
Yes, I am! That's what it is. No. Water purification. Filling up with water. Baja, what you got going, Rich?
Up our fresh water tank. I think probably about 40 liters. And we should be good to go.
A peso a liter?
Yeah.
You're good here. Yeah. Yep, you're good. There is the laundromat where we dropped off our clothes. You good on this side? You good? We stopped into Mulege Brewing for a drink and a growler. In the morning, Jose and Luis came to our campsite and took us for a nice morning ride.
What's in Baja?
lookout. Jose took us to this little island for us to explore. Gotcha. Our boat that transported us to this little deserted island. We had a little engine problem, but it was short-lived. Oh! Though it was an overcast morning, we didn't see any dolphins, but we had a nice boat ride and got to see some of the islands offshore. Yesterday we came into Mulege and dropped off our laundry.
Got water, pesos, did some shopping.
Had some lunch. Came back today to pick up our laundry and headed to the square. We'll have a little more lunch before going back. We've got little bakeries, little blanket and clothing stores. They had the Amazon return store.
Around the corner.
Yeah. Some more fish tacos and shrimp tacos, pescado and camarón.
Fresca.
Fresca. Now we're gonna walk down to the market, pick up a few more items. Did I almost end up in Baja jail?
He called the federales.
Accidentally walked out with something in my hand at the grocery store, at the market.
26 pesos.
26 pesos, gonna walk away with it.
Robin, I know we're on a fixed income. Come on.
At least we went back and paid for it.
Yeah.
Is anybody home at the ice cream store? Nope. No ice cream for you. You picked up our laundry from this place right here.
Very nice place. Nice people. Unfortunately, a little mishap where they had somebody else's clothes in our bag. So Carrie's clothes were on our
Kathy.
bag. Kathy, yes.
Kathy's clothes.
Kathy's clothes were on our bag. The older lady and older gentleman were very confused on figuring out how to find our clothes. But after 5 or 10 minutes, they found our clothes inside Kathy's bag.
Fine. Right there, that means don't go the wrong way.
Francisco and Madero, then turn left onto Francisco and Madero.
Don't go the wrong way on a one-way street when you see that sign. Our next adventure in Bahia Concepcion is a horseback ride along a local beach. Stay tuned.